Hello people, so today we will talk about iPhone and I will let show you the way how to add the shortcuts of the website into your home screen so that you will not gonna have to do manual step to open the website. You just need to tap whatever or what that display on your home screen to open it. So you just need to open the Safari application first, and in the Safari you just need to open the website that you want to add the shortcuts with. So here I would like to type Google Translate, let's say, to translate a thing letter. And whenever you found it, you just need to scrolling down, and then you just need to go open the website for the Google Translate here. So after you got that, you just need to go click this share button on the middle part on this bottom list here, and then you just need to go scrolling up, and there will be an option to add to home screen, so you just need to go click it. You can just skip this title or you can also change it, and I just need to go click add. And now you already got this shortcut of Google Translate on your home screen, so whenever you need to translate everything's really quick, just go click it, and the iPhone will bring you into the website of the Google Translate right away. So that is the way guys for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again on the next tutorial.